Alright, so now in this demo, we can understand about the resizing recommendation for the VM instances. We know that Qoaching provides us different type of recommendations spoken before, and in order to help us understand, let's see how that really works. Now, technically, the recommendations are generated automatically based on the system metrics gathered by the cloud monitoring service over the previous 8 days. In my case, I have a VM, but it's not running for 8 days, but I will demonstrate where do you see the recommendations and how that really works like. To do that, the first thing we need to do is to go to cloud.google.com/console, and you will use your account, whichever you have. So I already have an account logged in. I'll put the password, and that will directly take me to the Google Cloud Platform dashboard. And there we go. Our Cloud GCP platform is opening up for us. Now this is a basic dashboard where you get the product information, resources, other cards which you may want relevant. You can put them here. So how do you find it? We go to the link and we look for Compute Engine. That's where our instance is running. If you click on the Compute Engine, I already have a VM running for a few days. We may not see the recommendations, but I will demonstrate you where do you find one. If you see, I have a demo instance running, and this is the part you see recommendations. If you have it running for more than 8 days, it's going to use this metric. And here you will see some recommendation if this machine is, let's say, underused or overutilized, and I will do recommendation to kind of change the machine size. If I look inside this demo instance, for example, we'll see the machine type. And you can see we have a standard N1 machine type that's on this running. So if I have some recommendation, then I will be able to change this machine type based on the recommendation, and that's what the Google Cloud does for us. And you will always see the recommendation right on the Steam page where you will see the recommendation. As of now, this vacant because we haven't been running this machine for 8 days. That's the minimum requirement, but this is where you will see the recommendation of a specific VM and how that VM can be changed in the machine type to give you the most optimized performance. All right. So that brings us to the end of the demo on the VM recommendation.